In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see your WhatsApp backup data in Google Drive. This process is straightforward and ensures that you know where your backup data is located. Knowing how to access this information can be incredibly useful when you need to manage your storage effectively or simply confirm that your backups are intact. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open the Google Drive app on your mobile device. This is the app where all your Google Cloud Storage data is managed. It's the gateway to accessing stored information, including backups from various apps and devices linked to your Google account. So ensure you have it installed. If you haven't logged in, you'd need to do that using your Gmail credentials. Once the app is open, direct your attention to the three horizontal lines, often referred to as a hamburger menu, located in the upper left corner of the screen. Tapping this will expand a menu of options. These options give you quick access to different features of Google Drive. Among these options, find and select the one labeled Backups. This section is specifically dedicated to showing you all the backups that are stored on your Google account. After you select Backups, you'll be taken to a new screen. Here, you'll be able to see a list of all the backups associated with your account. This includes mobile device backups as well as app-specific backups like WhatsApp. You should be able to identify your WhatsApp backup quite easily because it is generally associated with your contact number. The backup might show specifics or just the general size and date it was last updated. Understanding this list is crucial as it tells you when the last backup occurred and if the process is running smoothly. Keeping an eye on it can help ensure continuity. If you notice any discrepancies like missing updates or incorrect data sizes, it might prompt you to manually check your WhatsApp settings to make sure everything is configured correctly. One more tip before we wrap up. Regularly check this area, especially if you switch devices frequently or if your app updates quite often. It's a good practice to ensure your backup settings are always up to date and functioning as expected. If you ever decide to upgrade your device or if something goes wrong, having this backup intact will make restoring your chats and data a much simpler process. That's it. By following these easy steps, you now know how to quickly access and view your WhatsApp backup data on Google Drive. This information is tucked away, yet it's only a few taps away when you know where to look. Thanks for tuning in, and be sure to keep these backups checked and updated regularly. If you found this guide useful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more.